Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue tower. Start by gathering 4 egg whites, 200 g sugar, cream of tartar, and a clean metal bowl. Whip whites until glossy stiff peaks form, adding sugar gradually and a pinch of cream of tartar for stability. Pipe consistent discs on parchment and bake low and slow to dry them through. Let shells cool fully before assembling to prevent collapse. For stable meringue, start with room temperature egg whites and a squeaky clean bowl. Slowly add sugar once soft peaks form and continue whipping to glossy stiff peaks, which should hold a peaked tip. A little acid like lemon juice or cream of tartar helps stability without altering flavor. Use a consistent piping tip size for uniform shells and avoid humidity when drying to keep them crisp and light. Assemble on a sturdy cake board with a stabilizing spread like Swiss meringue buttercream or ganache between layers. Start with the largest shells at the bottom and work upward, trimming irregular edges to create a stable cone shape. For taller towers, insert thin dowels or straws as supports. Pipe a decorative top and chill briefly to set each tier, handling gently to avoid cracking the delicate shells during placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.